Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you have a preschooler like I do that you are trying to help learn to write and trace? Well, I've really loved this pre-K trace and write from Scholastic. Now, this is a wipe clean book, and I really like the features that come with it. So first of all, it comes with its own little dry erase marker, so it fits perfectly right inside the spiral there that you can keep it nice and handy. But if you look on the inside, it's really helpful to help little ones start to learn how to write lines or trace lines just to understand pen control, and then also helps to teach them how to write their letters. The first few pages specifically help them start to learn to trace the dotted line. So it gives them an easy line to follow to help them understand pen control. As you go a little further, it starts getting to the letters. What I really like about this is they actually number the steps for the child. So once they understand 1, 2, 3, you do those in order, it's really easy for them to learn how to write their letters. It has a 1 with the line going down and then 2 to go around to help them learn how to write their D. My little guy has really had a fun time using this workbook. We like to focus on certain letters and even just tracing the lines. He really has a sense of accomplishment when he finishes the picture. So if you're looking to help your little one get a little bit better at writing and tracing their letters, this is a great starting point and great practice. That's my point of view.